Welcome to part 2 of the Sensible Savings and Rational Rewards Couponing Seminar. In the previous video, you learned basic shopping techniques, grocery store psychology, and shopping math. In this segment, we're going to discuss mobile apps that help you make better decisions while shopping, apps that help earn you cash, and online resources that keep you in the loop. Now, be aware that any of the apps I do recommend will change at some point in the future, sometimes not all for the better. But at this point in time, I've had nothing but positive experiences with the ones I'd recommend. Now, if you have a booklet, open it to about the 5th and 6th pages in. You'll see a couple of pages titled Store Apps That Pay and Cashback Apps, with a section titled Reference Apps or Resource Apps, depending on which version you have. The first section we're covering is Store Apps That Pay. Every store you go to has a mobile app. That doesn't mean that it's worth downloading. When grading these apps, my main concerns was, is it easier to use than the website, and are there benefits that I can't get anywhere else? For the most part, no. None of them are necessarily easier than the website, but a select few do offer benefits that I couldn't get anywhere else. Those apps are Kmart, Walmart, and Cartwheel by Target. It will become pretty clear by the end of the course that I'm not a huge fan of Kmart. I feel that they don't understand how to properly manage a merger. They are overpriced, they're outdated, they're overcomplicated. Their app is no real exception. Here, Kmart is trying to clumsily combine social media and shopping, which is a combination I've heard requested by no one. However, I do recommend the app for anyone who shops there regularly. It's an easy way to view any of the $10 back in points on $50 purchases or $10 off of a purchase of $150 or more. Any exceptional deals will load to your account from the app. It's also a great way to track your receipts and your points. When you go to the user info section, you'll find history section, and that'll keep track of your receipts and any points you've earned or spent. This is great because Kmart's computers and software are so out of date. The policies are so confusing, the cashiers tend to be so poorly trained that it is up to you to make sure that everything on your receipt is properly scanned and credited and that your points have applied to your account. This happens to me almost every time I go in there where something's wrong and I have to go back and fix it. If I didn't have the app, it would be much more difficult for me to prove my case. Now, Walmart, on the other hand, has gotten their app right. It's very easy to navigate and has benefits that you can't easily access elsewhere. You can scan an item while you're in the store using the barcode instead of typing the description in. That makes it so much easier to check the price online. When you use Savings Catcher, you just tap the Savings Catcher button, you scan your receipt, and the service automatically compares prices for the items you purchased to those advertised with nearby competitors. Exactly who a competitor is considered to be is shown at the top of the app after scanning a receipt. There used to be a corporate-wide policy that a competitor was within something like 20 or 30 miles, and now it's a little bit more fluid. It's not always clear exactly the distance a competitor has to be considered a competitor. This is a great way to figure it out who exactly they are comparing prices with. Now, be aware that Walmart Savings Catcher will not match with CVS, Rite Aid, or Walgreens. Those pharmacies are no longer considered competitors within the app. However, you can still add match those at the register. You just don't have that backup in case you miss something. Now, when you feel like it, any savings that you do get back can be instantly redeemed to a gift card or to a Bluebird card and used at Walmart in the same way as a store credit. Bluebird cards are prepaid debit cards, basically, with a built-in gift card from Walmart. Anything from Savings Catcher will be sent to that built-in gift card. Any cash you load onto it will be used on the prepaid debit card part. If you don't have any money in the prepaid debit card part, what's left in the gift card part can be still used at Walmart, just nowhere else. The last store app that I truly find to be worthwhile is Cartwheel by Target. This is not to be confused with Target by Target. Target by Target is just another shopping app whose objective is more easily accomplished online. Cartwheel by Target, though, features app exclusive coupons that you load to a single barcode and that you can stack with manufacturer's coupons from the newspaper and store coupons from inside of the store. Let's say Serco had a manufacturer's coupon in the newspaper, and then Target had a store coupon for a certain Serco onesie for babies. And then you load this 15% off coupon to your barcode, then all three of those coupons would apply to the same Serco outfit. As you can see, sorry for the long pause. I was so overwhelmed by all of the stuff that these apps do. I just had to take a minute. All of the pharmacy apps do so much. You've got weekly ads and coupons. You can refill your prescriptions. You can transfer prescriptions, talk to a healthcare clinic. You've got discounts and deals and drug interactions, all kinds of stuff. I say just pick one. Pick who you are most familiar with or who you shop at the most. CVS has a great perk where you can check drug interactions on their app. Rite Aid is one of the more simple apps with less to worry about. I'm personally partial to Walgreens because Walgreens has the Balance Rewards for Healthy Choices program, where you add in health information each day. In this example, you have 8,000 steps. You've earned 80 points for entering in those 8,000 steps. You could enter in how much you weigh and earn another 20 points. These all add up fairly quickly, and they are points for doing nothing but fiddling with your phone a couple of minutes a day to enter in Once some you have your basic apps health for the store you information. shop at most frequently, you can start looking into downloading apps that have actually make you money instead of just save you money. I've tried tons of apps that people claim will earn you money quickly for doing almost nothing. I've tried Shopkick, but could never remember to turn my GPS on at the right time. I've tried Receipt Hog and just got bored with it very quickly. These particular apps I only recommend to you because I have had consistent positive experiences with the apps and with their checkout services. That is Checkout 51, Snap by Groupon, Ibotta, Top Cashback, and Saving Star. All of these apps do the same thing. When you purchase the item they promote on their list, you scan the item, you scan your receipt, and the money is deposited into your account. All of these apps allow you to redeem to a PayPal account, so cashing out once you hit the minimum is pretty easy. Very often, there will be crossover between one or two. Checkout 51 may have a banana. Top Cashback may have the same deal. So if you get 50 cents back on a banana through Checkout 51, 25 cents through Top Cashback on a banana, then you can purchase a banana that costs only 15 cents and you're making money by using both apps. Now the next few apps won't necessarily give you money back, but they will help keep you organized, and they'll help you find the best price for your product. Flip is fantastic for price matching. It collects all of the sales circulars for your zip code and puts them in an easily searchable and accessible format. This allows you to catch the best deals no matter where you are. Say you were looking for cheese in this example, enter it into the search bar and it searches through every single circular in your area for any ad that mentions the word cheese. You can see on the screen there is Walmart, Rite Aid, looks like Albertsons. I'm not familiar with that logo. I use Flip all the time to make sure that when I am checking out, I have the right ad and the right price. Favado is absolutely invaluable. Favado takes the best sales items of about 20 or so stores. They show you the coupons and the cashback matchups that apply. Do remember that both prices and coupons are regional, so occasionally Favado will state that a certain coupon was in last Sunday's Red Plum insert, when that coupon may have not been distributed in your market. Prices also fluctuate a little bit. Here it says that yogurt is $1. It may be $1.08 in your store, or it may be 98 cents. But in general, Favado is very, very good at matching accurate prices with accurate coupons. I've found it personally to work best with printable coupons. In the case of a printable coupon, you can click the link, add it to your shopping list. Once you're finished browsing through, email yourself the entire shopping list, and you can print the coupons you need right from your computer. It makes it so much easier because you're not spending a lot of time browsing through couponing websites to see what you'd like to print. Here, you know, well, this is the price, this is the coupon, I can get a really good deal. This is more of your planning ahead strategy that saves you a lot more money. Keyring is a really good one. I absolutely hate those little plastic cards you get whenever you sign up to a loyalty program. Keyring allows you to get those cards off of your keyring and out of your wallet and onto the app. You simply enter in the information, and Keyring creates a scannable barcode right on your phone. Just make sure you turn off any screen dimming apps that you have when you're using it at the store, or it may not scan properly. StockUp is technically in beta, but it still works in our area. I've been using it since, I think in August, and I've never had a real problem that was not fixed by the company quickly. Now, with StockUp, what you do is scan the barcode of a grocery item for the most part, and it'll tell you what the price is at other stores and at the store you're in, as long as someone else has scanned that first. The way that StockUp keeps people entering prices is by offering points that can be used to enter in sweepstakes for free groceries. In this screenshot, you can see that someone has scanned a box of Cokes. At Walgreens, the box is regularly $5.99, but now it's on sale for $3. Walmart has the same case at regular price for $3.98. If you've just scanned this box in Walmart, you now know that you should do a price match to get your Cokes for the Walgreens price. Now, the next two apps aren't necessarily for prices so much as they are security. LifeLock Wallet and Norton Identity Safe are both double password protected apps designed to help you keep your information safe. LifeLock will store your discount prescription cards, any insurance cards, identity cards, anything you'd like to keep on hand. Norton will help you keep track of all the logins and passwords that you use for the other apps and may forget. All of these resources and more are available on the Fancher Education webpage at www.fanchereducation.com/resources. There you'll find links to the coupon and ad match policies of up to 20 of the most common stores in our area. You'll also find links to the apps that you can access from your mobile browser and from your computer. There's a couple of websites where users post links to freebies you can easily get or ways to make spare cash in your spare time. I have the food stamp cookbook on there, as well as printable coupon sites. Don't forget to check out the pages for Sunday coupon preview and resources to help you get rid of spam in your email box. I do occasionally update this page with new and interesting resources, so bookmark it and check back often. This has been Part 2, Apps and Online Resources. Check out Part 3 to get into the basics of couponing, where you learn the different kinds of coupons and how to stack them. Thanks for watching, and if you need anything clarified or have any suggestions for me, leave a comment below. Feel free to share the video with as many people as you'd like.